Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then, now central retinal vein occlusion treatment. So, treatment of central retinal venous occlusion is we should do a pan-retinal photocoagulation is indicated for central retinal venous occlusion, whereas for branched retinal venous occlusion, retinal venous occlusion, we can do a scatter laser photocoagulation is done for branched retinal venous occlusion.
thank you and thank you for watching.